Hello world, we are the idea, an idea that is bulletproof. We are anonymous. We would like to discuss an urgent update with everyone about a financial crisis that has already begun. Years of bailouts and monetary expansion have created one of the most failing and official economic downfalls in history. Now it is clear that the global economic circle is shrinking, and there is undeniable proof that the global economy and stock markets are going down. Markets across the board are melting down as we speak, and the financial crash that fringe analysts have been predicting since 2008 is finally upon us. The money chart has fallen 1,300 points from its peak. On August 21, 2015 alone, it fell by 530 points, making it the ninth worst stock market crash in U.S. history. The Shanghai Composite fell by more than 11% this week, and China's stock market has lost a third of its value since its previous peak. The only thing holding it up now is their government's intervention. It lost 4% of its value on Friday after it was revealed that their manufacturing activity had reached a 77-month low. 400 of the world's richest people lost a total of $182 billion this week, amounting to 6.3% of their collective wealth. When the people who benefit the most from broken markets are getting harmed, you know that the circle is shrinking. The dollar's spending and taking is nearing its end. Its value has fallen slightly, but consistently for the past 2 weeks. Commodities have fallen to a 13-year low. The price of copper has reached a 6-year low while oil has suffered its longest decline since 1986. These events should tell you something by now. Something is going on now. You can always tell when the global economy is in bad shape based on the value of various commodities. It's one of the strongest indicators for an economy, since it reveals how many real, high-quality goods are being produced. Many of these commodities have been falling in value throughout the recovery that we've been in since 2009. But yet the global dollar keeps plummeting, but slightly slow. Once the economic collapse is completely crashed worldwide, we will all be in debt that no one can pay off. The time of awakening is now. This September, we will witness a test practice crisis that we've faced in 2008. But this time, all the money will be drained and you will no longer have money in your pockets. With whatever you do with your money, what would you think if you were suddenly unable to get money anymore, and suddenly unable to get what you pay for all the time? This is no coincidence, and it is hard to even look away from it now. This will eventually affect everybody in the world, and this entire problem is going to involve all of us. It is suggested that you stack up on whatever food and water supply you can get now. And be sure you can learn survival skills, because if you don't get prepared, then this will be an impending disaster for you and whoever you're currently living with. But do not fear, we are everywhere, and we are the good side. We oppose all forms of oppression, and the good side always wins the battle, and has for centuries. If you still choose to deny, then do some research and connect your own dots. Look at what is happening out there. The time of preparation is upon us. We are always watching. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.